Okay, let me get up there with my ratchet now. Yeah, it'll go. There. Ah. Oh. Oh. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I think I just, what happened? I think it snapped off. Yep. Oh. Look at this. Whew. I did it one turn too much. Look at that. Snapped right off. And so now I guess I can drill a hole just next to that one, just with my drill, and put another bolt in there, get it tight. I think the other one wasn't doing it because it was sticking out just a hair too far. So once I get it in there, I'll get it snug, and then I think I'll put one up higher, or one over a little bit with the 3.5, because remember I only have 4 of these. Yes, obviously I could go back to the store and all that. That's fine too, I could do that. But I'm trying to get this fixed with the materials I have. So I've got 2 more of these. One's going to go up in there, and then once I get that tight, see, then next to it I could put a 3.5-inch one, drill it out a little bit, you know, deeper, and suck it in there, and then I'll have 2 different ones down there, because I could feel there was lots of tension, and I don't know how far this was going in until it snapped off. It could have hit a nail, or you know, you got to remember this wood is 20 years old, so it could have hit a knot, anything up there. Okay, I'll get her. And oh, the people said amen. Look at that. Got her. And I ended up putting 2 bolts in there because, see, I couldn't get the first one in deep enough, and that's why it wasn't ratcheting up with the drill until I got it in a little bit, and then I got it almost tight with that 4-inch before it snapped, and then I put another 3.5-inch one in there, and it got plenty of meat because I drilled it down about a 1/2 inch from the face of the fascia board, and that gave me an extra 3/8 of an inch for the screw. So I got those in there. See, remember the gap up between the back side of the fascia board and the stucco was about 1/2 inch to 5/8 of an inch right there where it's tight. So I got that right there, see? Can't get it any tighter than that. Now I'll have to caulk it and everything, and see, way up there, I still got to figure out how to get way up there and get that bolted in a little bit better. Get it sucked in, fix that top piece there, get it bolted, and then I'll caulk all the way down, from the top down on both sides. And I'll use the beige color. I got white at the store. I'm not sure why. I should have looked at this a little bit closer before I went. I'll get the beige. Then I can caulk that with the beige. And if it gets on the stucco, fine. You're really not going to see it much. And then I can cut in the fascia board with the paint, because I've got that dark green paint. Okay. And I even got some stucco patch. I've got some of this material, and I was wondering whether or not I should stucco patch underneath there. Oh, way up underneath there, see? See that? That goes up. Let's see if I can't. See, I could put stucco patch up there. It's pretty much the same color as this stucco, or I could fill it all up with caulking. I could do that. So there's a couple different things I can do. Okay, work in progress. I'll show you more of this later. I've got some white caulking, and before I go in, I'm going to fill up those deep lines and everything on the green on both sides. Oh, that deep line over there too. See? Nothing I could do about that, because that's bowed out. There's no way I can get it in there. And if I shaved off that, it would lift up, and it would even be higher than where it is now. Okay? Well, one way or another, I'll just keep working on it, and I'll show you bits and pieces along the way. Don't worry. But doesn't it look a lot better? See how that wood is pushed right into the stucco where it's supposed to be, right? That's all lined up. And this one is too. Way better than when I first started. Play the first bit of this video series, and you'll be amazed at what it's looking like so far. And guess what? If I can do it, you can do it.